attract brand sponsorships, all without the need to show your face. Lastly, join TikTok new creator program and monetize your content like never before. You can make $10,000 per month online with these 3 websites.
Hello guys, welcome to Self-Made and to the brand new episode of Self-Made where you grow your business like a god. So without any further ado, a very warm welcome to you all to our very brand new episode, and the first one where we are going to discuss the step-by-step process of how to chain up a business with AI Hustle. So here in this full video, I will be showing you 3 exact websites and develop a business plan from where you and I will be able to craft a $10,000 per month business. So for the time being, you all have to be strict with the video so that you fully understand the concept, and আমরা সকলে মিলে একটা business plan দ্বারা করাতে পারি with AI. And trust me, after showing the full video, if you are only convinced with what I said, then put up a comment in below that how you are liking it, and subscribe to the channel right away to get this sort of content ongoing with our this brand new playlist. So let's get started and head back to my, for example, in Canva, the way you generate template, এটা আপনাকে বেসিক্যালি অপরচুনিটি ক্রিয়েট করে দেবে টেমপ্লেট, ইবুক, বিভিন্ন অনলাইন কোর্স, অথবা আপনি যদি কোনো কোচিং দিয়ে থাকেন, লাইক ফর এক্সাম্পল if you are a psychiatrist, you want to sell course, you can just get in here, rank your page, optimize the page. You can just get into Sniffit and create your own page or shop like the way you want it to be and the way it ends. After that, you can just give or provide clients courses and within your AI assistant, which is very unique. And after that, you just have to give your PayPal or Stripe account so that you can actually have the payment process onboarded. And trust me with this is the most sophisticated payment process I have ever seen. So that's how we are done with the Stripe. Now we will go to Hagen.com. So Hagen, what it does actually, Hagen, so try Hagen for free and we will sign up with Google. Pressing down in the same way, আপনি এখান থেকে একটা AI animated avatar create করুন। এই avatarটা can speak up to 75 languages and very promptly. Now we want to create a new project. We go to the landscape mode and now we just have to pick up an avatar. Let's get started. So first you have to go to Sniffit.com. Sniffit is a platform where you can sell your digital products, courses online and streamline your content creation with AI assistant. You can just start up your own page and own store online. Not only that, you can have a very sophisticated payout process in Sniffit. So these are the features Sniffit is going to give you. So let's just log in as a, so here I will give my email address, access, generate in Sniffit. Alright, so here we have to give our name. So we will just give a name, Ronak Rashid, as you all know my name, and we will give our country name. So from the country you belong to, so we're here from Bangladesh. So we just pick up a category, the best describe your social content. So here we are up to sell some coaching to the social media. So first of all we can just select social media and we can here continue. That's how we do it. And now what you can do, you can just add your own Visa or PayPal account, yeah, in the business and just start up to your own Sniffit store where you can just sell up your courses. If you want to give a proper coaching about how to start up your freelancing career online, how can you grow and upscale your Upwork career, like for example this is going to be your course, so you can just create a very fantastic page with Snifit and just rank up your page or stall in all the social medias you want to create. And after that, what you have to do, you can just go to my page, add your bio, create your Snifit page now, and this you can just generate the mail and build a new blog. You can even design your own template, like for example, if you want to do it like this on a sheet. So there are a few level of template. So since our niche is to provide some freelancing courses, so we will do like this way. And you can always just go up to, so that it gives you a proper representation between your client or customer base. So this is basically the dashboard, where as I say that you can, first of all, you can create your own store, number one. Number two, you can create a products or portfolios you want to sell online, submit it. Yes, so here is the dashboard of Heygen.com. Heygen.com is a very fantastic platform that here you can have avatar talking about your branded product, or you can generate ad. There are plenty of templates which will assist you to have your social media post. Even you can create the avatar ad. So we will just select here, create a video, and we will select landscape. So I'm just going to show you the operation here. Grows with your niche, and then here up here we'll make this avatar talk. So you just have to make your script, copy it, paste in this way. So let's check this out. We have selected the avatar, we have generated this script. Check this out, that how it sounds. It's sounding awesome. So we will just go for the submit. Yeah, we'll go for the submit, and it's submitted. It's getting your video ready. You can not only just that, you can also give this sort of template. As I already said, that you can generate templates with this avatar. If you want to appear on others' timeline or when they're using social media, so you can just have a post like this, and you can generate ads through Meta, so that you can appear with your courses to your client's timeline, and the client get your information to get the course.
You can make $10,000 per month online with these 3 websites. First, Snify. It's the best place to sell your digital products, including Notion templates, ebooks, online courses, consultation services, and more. Set up your own store easily in minutes. Select payment via PayPal or Stripe instantly. They're easy to set up. Second, go to Heygen.com. Create an AI influencer, TikTok channel to discuss various aspects of AI and attract brand sponsorships, all without the need to show your face. Lastly, join TikTok new creator program and monetize your content like never before. You can make $10,000 per month online with these 3 websites.
Self-made, on my own, bring the empire from the stone. I'm the one, I'm the boss, I'm the one who beat the cost. Had to learn, had to grow, had to be patient, had to know the success it takes time and a little bit of patience.